Hello and welcome to Regulatory Wrap. This week we're talking about voice. Now, voice, more specifically the capture and the monitoring of voice-based communications, is notoriously challenging for compliance teams. There are a number of reasons for this. The quality of voice data isn't always great. There might be static noise, background noise, people talking over each other, and then there's the issue of people speaking different languages, different accents, using slang, or even code words. The list really goes on. Despite these challenges, regulators are starting to take action against firms who fail to capture and monitor voice. Last December, the UK's FCA fined 2 firms nearly £5 million for surveillance failures related to voice calls. Last week, the US CFTC fined Goldman Sachs $5.5 million for failing to properly record and retain certain audio files made on mobile devices. The hardware that Goldman Sachs had in place to capture voice calls wasn't able to keep up with the number of users, meaning that the firm and the regulators no longer had access to the records. It looks like voice is becoming a topic of regulatory focus, but why is this? Although it's challenging, capturing voice isn't an insurmountable task, and regulators know this. Technology exists that captures calls and allows firms to monitor them. Compliance solutions overcome many of the challenges I just listed, and regulators are losing patience with firms who fail to invest in those watertight solutions for voice. It's yet another thing to watch out for. Join us next time for another Regulatory Wrap.